Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with some more cleaning videos for Christmas today. Well, speaking about Christmas itself is so exciting. I can't wait to decorate my house, decorate the Christmas tree, prepare sweets and so on. But since I'm working, Sunday is the only day that I get to clean the house. Well, this time I have been thinking to go 2 to 3 rooms at a time since it gets quite overwhelming doing the entire downstairs and then the upstairs. Well, the plan for today is to clean the living room and the dining room and then give Ginger a bath since it's nice and sunny outside. What about you guys? Have you started getting ready for Christmas? If not, when do you usually start getting ready for Christmas? Let me know in the comment section down below.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da.
Well, it's been quite some time now since I last cleaned. Look at the amount of dust that has settled on this furniture, guys. So before getting the Christmas decor up, I thought of deep cleaning everything.
Keeping people pleased, but this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you so I'm letting go.
Christmas is all about the bright colors lighting up the long winter nights. Red and green in particular are two Christmas symbols that are instantly recognizable and can instantly put you in that holiday spirit. Hence, I've decided to go traditional this year. I can't wait to decorate my house, guys. I like keeping the decor simple, but this year I'm trying to do a little extra, but hopefully not too extra.
This is how it's supposed to be, making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh.
Christmas is that time of the year wherein you'll be looking for gifts to give out to your friends and family. You also need to think of the perfect decoration to have that Christmas feel in your home. You may be thinking of the wonderful celebration you would be spending with your family. So among the many things you need to take care of during the holiday season, you also need to pay attention to Christmas cleaning. Whether you like it or not, you have to make sure your house needs to look sparkling clean in preparation for hosting a Christmas celebration for family and friends. Well, cleaning during the busiest time of the year may be overwhelming. So this video will hopefully give you that motivation to get cleaning and get your home sparkling clean for Christmas.
And I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be, making our Christmas memories? Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh.
I need to purchase a few Christmas scented candles that give that Christmas vibe. Nothing brings the feel of Christmas to mind better than the aroma of peppermint, cinnamon and pine cones coming from a festive home. Scented candles are the perfect opportunity to give your home a clean smell.
Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me, hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be, making our Christmas memories? And I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be, making our Christmas memories? Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
I have really been needing to clean out this showcase cabinets and drawers. We usually keep our religious books in here, so we receive kind of these parish church bulletins every month, and they have been accumulating over the months. So since it's November, almost the end of the year, I think it's the right time to get rid of all these church bulletins.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house.
In these drawers, we have our photo albums. I just realized I need to get these photos organized. There have been many loose photos, not albums. So I need to purchase some albums, organize them date-wise or celebration-wise. But I don't think this is happening anytime soon. Probably soon after Christmas, I need to get these all organized. Let me tell you a few tips to let you declutter. If you have something that is not used in the last 12 months, it is better to let it go. If you don't love it and don't use it, remove it from your home. Regardless if it was a gift from a previous holiday like a birthday or Christmas, if it is not something that you like, there is no reason to hang on to it. If we keep everything that people give us, we will be drowning in clutter. You can either sell them for some extra money, throw them away, or donate them. Whichever option you choose, your space will thank you for that.
Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire chair.
Well, I also need to clean the aquarium, so probably after giving Ginger a bath, I will be cleaning the aquarium. Well, today is basically gonna be a pet spa day. Well, moving on to the cabinet, I need to also clean this area. We usually store some candle stands, candles, and other religious articles in here. Also, the fish food and aquarium cleaning supplies are kept in here. We also have 2 large albums kept here since they wouldn't fit in those drawers.
I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you.
A quick tip I would give is, before you start cleaning, do a quick walkthrough around the house and take note of what needs to be done in each area of the house. Doing this will make the cleaning task easier and faster.
Forget about
You do not have to waste time guessing on what to do since you already know what to tackle. If you have someone to help you to do the cleaning, you can also list down as to who will take care of certain chores. Instead of doing all the cleaning in one day, spread out the cleaning process for several days. Like I have decided to do 2 to 3 rooms per day.
These are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again.
Household dust is like a supervillain. You fight with it all day to remove its existence from your home, only for it to come back the next day, sometimes even worse than before. Not only is dust a nuisance, but it can also create a lot of problems like triggering allergies. Dust is like snow. It falls from top to bottom. Like I mentioned earlier, when dusting, start with the highest items first and work your way down.
Won't you come in out of the snow and cold? We've got it nice and warm. In here you'll find both young and old, seeking shelter from the storm. It's the spirit of the season to open up the door.
You know, guys, nothing is more important than your family's health. By keeping your house clean, it becomes very easy to protect yourself and your family members from different types of diseases. Dust also leads to colds, coughs, asthma attacks, breathing, and other respiratory problems. You know what, guys? Many of you guys may not agree to it, while some may. I find it quite stressful walking into a house that is completely cluttered, dirty, and messy. But on the other hand, if a house is clean and well organized, it gives a sense of relaxation, not only just to you but also to your family. So neglecting home cleaning for a longer period of time would result in accumulation of dust and other types of microorganisms. So a clean and organized house helps to reduce this level of stress and also promotes a positive attitude.
It's the spirit of the season to heal what's torn apart. It's the spirit of the season to lend a helping hand. It's the spirit of Christmas season. Let's spread it across the land. Oh, let's spread it across the land. It's the spirit of the season to open up your heart.
So guys, since we are cleaning for Christmas, I wanted to put this question across, just a general one. What are your plans regarding the Christmas theme? If you guys have one, then please do not forget to mention below. Well, many like to go traditional, while many like neutral colors, and many do like a mix. Well, this year I'm thinking to go traditional. I haven't had a theme before, but yes, this year the plan is to go traditional. And Christmas is like the most magical time of the year. So there is nothing that brings Christmas spirit better than the traditional combination of red and green color. This theme is kind of wrapped up around this beautiful green Christmas tree and the bright red outfit of Santa, making it an unforgettable Christmas.
Won't you come in out the storm. It's the spirit of the season to open up the door. It's the spirit of the season to give and love some more. It's the spirit of the season to lend a helping hand. It's the spirit of Christmas season. Let's spread it across the land. Hang your winter coat on the antlers there.
Well guys, I've almost finished cleaning the dining room and the living room. Next, I plan on cleaning all the 3 bedrooms, that is my bedroom, my parents' bedroom and the guest bedroom. I hope today's video gives you the inspiration and motivation to start getting ready for Christmas. If you like the video, then please do not forget to like, subscribe and share the video with your friends. Hope to see you soon in my next one.